Yo, what's up? Today is our last day in Albania. We came here actually, like I said, for 4 nights, 5 days. And we are going to buy some souvenirs here in the Durrës Golem. Actually, Golem because we are staying like 15-20 kilometers from the Durrës. Yesterday we were in Durrës. And we're gonna show you a little bit around what's going on. We found out it's actually very off-season.
Yes,
It is very quiet.
That, because we just have the all-inclusive hotels and everything is already in the hotels, and we eat a lot, so we have to walk a lot also to burn the calories, right, Kohania? So
That's
we decided
right.
to walk in the,
Little bit and show you a little bit of the real Albania. How does it look like? So our hotel is there, and there is the construction of another one. There are two only big hotels here. I mean 1.5 because another one is under the construction, and another thingy here. So as you know, the Albania is really developing quite a lot, slowly, but going forward. And there are so many nice bars, new ones. Look like all of those bars here, like this one perhaps is new, nice decor and everything. Maybe like this season or 2 seasons ago, ATMs everywhere freely, like this one, nobody's stealing them. Palm trees and everything. And of course it's a lot of also things like this one, so maybe doesn't look that beautiful, but this is actually real Albania. This is the still Balkan country and still very far from the things like, let's say, Croatia already, or Croatia, or Western Europe, right?
Croatia is already well developed, and then what I see here, just wait, Kohani, maybe in 5 years, 10 years, probably, whenever we go to Albania
most likely
it's already like very well developed.
That's the thing. So this is the last chance to see actually Albania how it is. And it's also season here is very short. It's just the 1st October today when we're filming, and basically seems like few days and everything will be just tidy up. And look at the traffic situation actually. This is one of the main roundabout here. So there are so many Bali Albanian dogo here roaming. Stray dogs roaming around, and they have something in their ears, like they're vaccinated or something, I don't know. And generally life is very slow here. Okay, we're going to buy some souvenirs there.
Yes.
But so far you feel safe here?
Yes.
That's
the thing that I feel safe. The thing is that maybe, for those of you, if you want to travel around, and then if you need to have a taxi, the thing that I remember is just like, there are so many taxi like stop here, like reminds me about in Bali. But the thing is that there is not much the online taxi, only like the private online like we had yesterday, speed taxi.
And also one thing, everything here is cash only. By card will be struggle here. Everything is the cash only. Of course, if you are smart enough, you know why. But that's how they look like here. Okay, we're going somewhere here. We found some nice supermarkets. And of course, if Albania must be so many Mercedes here. Of course, this is also very peaceful part of Albania. Like I said, it's very real Albania, because many people I read also online coming to South Albania,
which is close by the Greece.
Actually next to the Corfu Island in Greece. So that's why it's also more expensive and more tourists there. But here is like nearby the capital, still some hotels are inclusive. But actually we quickly find out as there are actually like few of them 5-star what we staying. And overall the life is very slow here. Very slow. So we are coming from there, and there is like some nice house overlooking this one. And there is no asphalt even if you're going more further, sir.
Yes, the thing is only like developed where the tourist area. You see on the right is the restaurant.
Some nice restaurant actually, all empty, but it's nice. Actually, the only people who are looking here on the streets, maybe not only, but majority, they're Polish. I don't know why it's actually.
Polish people likes to go to Albania, maybe because of
we're not afraid of traveling like this.
And more affordable if you compare with any kind of any European countries. And then I heard that Bulgaria is also
similar, cheap, but it's already in European Union. But
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. But I also spoke with some Polish people who I met here, older people, like way older, like my parents' age, as they remember as Poland were looking somehow similar in the 80s. So maybe that's why we know what to expect. As you see, so many developments here. Actually, there will be another some big hotels here. I think so. Hotels that look like a hotel or apartment building, but still construction going slowly. And there are some bars, people enjoying, and plenty of parking spaces everywhere. Seems like a nice hotel with the rooftop bar, but have a problem to find out is it open or closed. Not sure though. Hard to say a little bit. Probably closed maybe already, no?
Because of low season, and that's beach zone.
Oh, and that's like entrances to the beaches often like this one. Somebody have private one. And Land Rover is also popular here. And Mercedes. No, it's
the hotel
like
is closed. Nobody is there.
nobody is there, but the swimming pool seems like pumps are running.
Really, like I don't know. It's like feels like in Bali
During pandemic.
During pandemic time, remember?
Little bit.
Yeah.
Feels like a Benoa, especially during pandemic.
And here is that here when everything is like end of season. Some of the hotels that they still have a very good marketing strategy. They still operating well, but maybe for those hotels, only relies on summer customers. They just simply close.
Like this one.
Big hotels are closed.
Yeah, interesting. Oh, and there is some supermarket. I don't know. I hope so. It's open because this is where I wanted to buy souvenirs. Unfortunately, it's closed. So, it's closed.
No, open.
Closed. Closed. Boże, where I gonna buy souvenir for mama? There is some nice hotel with the flags of Albania, Kosovo, United States, and I think Albania and European Union. And another market here, but unfortunately closed. So at least there is no traffic jam actually in Albania. I never see the traffic jam yet.
Okay.
So that was the roundabout where we came. Our hotel is behind this construction. This one is on the construction, and this is a little bit of the Golem main street here. Somebody brought the fort from America, and they are half of the apartments here are for rent
And for sale.
and for sale. Some of them in Albanian language, some of them in English. And that's the main street here. Quite many apartments for rent everywhere around, and then some people in the bars there and there. Generally, I found out as this is the most busiest street here in Golem, actually.
And look at the green apartment.
No, tak. There's some markets on this one.
I think the center of the Golem here.
Some tourists walking around. There's even barber shop. That's the center of Golem. Some market, you can buy fruit. Some hotel also. Some palms. Overall slow life, saying very slow life.
Yeah. But what I can say then, this is the tourist spot in Dures. I think that this one is closer to the Tirana as well. So maybe that many people who live in Tirana, they come here. People who live in Dures, they also come here, because the beach here is like with a powdery sand beach.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the tourist spot. Hanya in
Tourist spot. Also the only supermarket, like a kinda proper supermarket, but still very far from being a big supermarket, is Spar. After that, they don't have anything here like Lidl, Carrefour. Forget about any kind of these brands. No McDonald's. Coca-Cola is here. KFC and Burger King only.
In the Dures.
Yeah, but no McDonald's, no Starbucks, no Costa, no kind of stuff like this one. So it's a very interesting place to be and see, as this still exists in Europe actually. So it's cool. Construction site, doggo chilling. Oh Oh, it's okay. Dogo capek. Dogo chak. Which means tired in Indonesia. Little bit of the rubbish situation next to construction site.
And the thing is that really there are so many development going on, but they are in the moment like not working on progress, just like stop working. And one time at the moment also there is so many project that is working on that really developing. So this is like, I don't know what to say, it's like a kind of the mix of everything, mix of the brand new things and also the old things.
Yeah.
Like in front of us, which is
Like here supposed to be shops. Even the float is left over. You can take it if you want. Then seems like, I don't know, restaurant or house or something. And then of course construction. Maserati construction, abandoned range. Overall, the vibe in Albania. Albania, real estate and travel. Here we go. Lux Hotel somewhere there. We speak Slovakian, Czech, Polish, British, and Italian. ATM, pharmacy. I think pharmacy closed though. And this dog actually have something on his ear. So maybe they stray dogs, but they have vaccination sayang actually. Maybe. And there is some souvenir shop actually. They are selling carpets here. That's the first time I see.
let's see, kochanie.
Dobra. We need buy some souvenirs. Additional some Albanese little sachet.
No, I really like it.
Small thing, but you have to bring something from Albania, sayang.
Yeah.
Until it's very commercial.
No, that.
Alright. Ooh. So many Maserati here. So many nice cars. This is
Many
like.
nice cars, but what I can see that
But
when
they
you
stop.
walk here is quiet.
No. No.
It's nice, like you really enjoy it. Even like there are so many shops, but the shopkeeper is not like pushing you to buy.
It's not like
something.
in Asia, perhaps.
No,
Here,
no.
you watch, you don't even buy anything. Nobody offer you anything.
Yeah.
Fixed
like
price
fixed
also.
price,
They have
yeah.
a stickers with the price.
Yes. So yeah, it's nice.
Huh?
Kochanie, this is how the pomegranate do.
Pomegranate growing.
Huge.
Mm-hmm. Pomegranate on the
You
tree.
learn new things whenever
New
you
things.
travel.
Because actually I see many things growing, but pomegranate no. Also banana growing here in Albania and olives growing everywhere. That's the olive tree. So this is the other hotel behind, and it seems like that's the actually only one hotel like really proper here.
That are fully operating, I think.
Fully operated.
In this area. Yes. So and yeah, this is how it's actually the situation during the end of the season here. Even on the street is quiet, and some of the restaurant are completely closed, and hotel also completely closed. Only some are open. And yeah, this is how it looks, the situation.
Very interesting place. Very interesting place. I think, generally speaking, I'm very, very happy as we came to Albania and I got opportunity to see that before is still how it is actually, because I strongly believe in next 20 years it's gonna be more like Croatia. I don't know why I have a feeling like this one. So at least it's something what I can see still like this one. I have a memory for that. However, if you're looking only for the very fancy places, probably Albania is not the place, because even 5-star maybe standard here will be a little bit different than, let's say, in Turkey perhaps. So but overall very cool. You happy as we came here?
Yes, so that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See you next time. See ya.